Updating your legal name on your Citibank account is an important process that ensures your banking information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and certified. Step 2. Contact Citibank customer service. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Obtain the name change form from Citibank. Fill it out completely, ensuring that all information is accurate and matches your identification documents. Step 4. Submit your documents. Send the completed name change form along with your supporting documents to Citibank. This can often be done via email, fax, or in person at a local branch, depending on their guidelines. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Citibank to confirm that your legal name has been updated in their system. Keep a record of your communication for future reference. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Citibank. Ensure you keep track of your documents and communications throughout the process for a smooth experience.